homemade dill ranch. To make the ranch dressing, you're going to start with 2 tablespoons of fresh minced dill and 2 tablespoons of chives. They can be dried or they can be fresh. 2 tablespoons in a mixing bowl. Need a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream. Give it a mix. Mince up some pickles. Add your minced pickles to your bowl and a splash of pickle juice. Mix it up. Now you're going to add garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little salt. Give it a mix. That'll do it. On the carrot. This is so good.